monthly unboxing of Boxycharm. So we're gonna unbox this with Odin! Yay! So let's get started! And each month they have, oh look at this, a coupon for facial. That's cool. So each month they have like a theme card. So this box theme is called Natural. There's 5 products in this box, so let's just dig right in. Sorry about the background. This part of the house is the one where I get a good lighting during the day. Odin. Okay, the first one is this product, Elemis. I don't know how to say it, I'm sorry, but it is a nourishing prebiotic green mask, and retail price for this is $35. Excuse my son in the background. And Luxie brush. This one is a 3-piece brush set, and it retails for $30. So let's see. Oh, so cute, so eco-friendly. And it's pink. There's an eye blending, foundation, and precision crease. More brushes. What's next? Boom. Ooh! This is a Palomar Cosmetics lip gloss. Let me swatch it. It looks good, but I don't think it'll look good on my lips. The lip gloss retails for $15. And the next one is an eyeliner called Appeal in green. And this one retails for, it's a gel liner, it retails for $21. And last but not least, Boxycharm always has at least one eyeshadow palette or cheek palette, and this retails for $32. Swatch. Nice colors. I don't know if I'm able to use them, but I will try. I love them though. For this box, it is worth, it totals to $133. Not bad, and that's the unboxing of Boxycharm this month. I'll see you guys next month of another unboxing, and next month is gonna be the Boxylock, so I can't wait for that one because those has more skincare products than makeup. And if you would love to get your subscription on Boxycharm, you could do it monthly, so you could cancel anytime. I'll link the link down below. If you like these types of videos, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button. Also, please check out our YouTube channel I usually do family travel vlogs, so check my videos out as well. Instagram, me and my husband's Instagram, check them out as well. And yeah, I'll link all those links down below in the description box. And yeah, and I'll see you guys later on my next video. I'm actually working on a video that we did when we went to Punta Cana. Yes, we went to Punta Cana, so please stay tuned and watch it when I'm done. Alright, bye guys. Odin, say bye-bye.